welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making stir-fried steak with vegetables. Enjoy! First, we will marinate the meat with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, add 2 tablespoons of garlic and onion powder, then add about ½ teaspoon of ground pepper, add 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, then mix and marinate for at least 10 minutes. First, we will cut the meat into strips. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, half an onion, green onions, red bell pepper, and garlic chopped. Turn on the stove and start with your butter. Using a wok, then add your garlic, then add your onion, and saute for 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat and remove from the pan. Saute the meat on medium to high heat for a few minutes. It's optional, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now add in the onions and garlic mix. Saute for 1 minute. Now add in the vegetables. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cover for 2 minutes. and lower the heat. Uncover. Saute for 1 more minute and it's done. Finish. Turn off the heat.